Hey, what's up guys? Branden Sanchez here. And in this video, this is going to be affiliate marketing for beginners, how to choose proven offers. Okay guys, by the end of this video, please watch to the end because you're going to learn how to actually choose proven offers that will result into monster profitable campaigns. Okay guys, this is literally the most important variable when it comes to a profitable campaign. Okay guys, also if you're new, please make sure to subscribe now, like the video, help me push this content out there so other guys can actually learn how to do this stuff correctly and generate life-changing results. Guys, I do this stuff for free. I do this to help you guys, and I do this because I really care about new guys starting out, because there's a lot of misinformation out there and I want to be the person you guys can, basically your go-to person when it comes to this stuff. Okay guys, so basically, how to choose profitable offers. Again, this is the most important variable when it comes to a profitable campaign. Okay, guys? This is the main reason why beginner affiliates don't become successful. They don't know how to choose proven offers. Okay? Have you ever searched an affiliate network for an offer? Chose an offer just because the offer page was pretty? You signed up for a traffic source, you set the campaign up, you launched it, and then you lost every cent that you spent. Right? If so, this may be the most important video that you ever watch. Okay? This is because you do not know how to choose proven offers. If this is you right now and are launching campaigns like this, stop what you're doing and do what's recommended in this video. But no worries, guys. We have all been there. This is where we all started. So yeah, don't worry, guys. I have a lot of guys coming up to me asking me about, this whole offer situation, right? And I'm like, okay, well, how do you choose offers? Oh, well, I just sign up to an affiliate network, scroll through, and then they see an offer, the landing page of the offer, and they choose it because it looks really good, right? It has all these beautiful colors, it's bright colors, it looks professional, it looks this, it looks that, so they decide to launch it. Okay, if that is you right now, don't do that. All right, I'm gonna tell you that. Do not do that. That's not how we launch offers, guys. Okay, not because the landing page is pretty. No, that's not how we do it. Okay, so let me show you how I do it. Okay, in order for me to actually want to test a new offer, I need to have some sort of proof that the offer works. Okay, now you might ask, what is proof and how do I find it? Okay, in order for me to find out if an offer is proven to work, there are a few different ways to do so. Number one, ask your affiliate manager from your affiliate network. Okay, these guys, your affiliate managers, they are able to see the numbers in the back end. Okay, they can see what we call as affiliates insider information. Okay, now this insider information is going to be your proof, right? Because obviously, if your affiliate managers can see, the offers, the verticals being ran, and they could actually see the revenue being generated, right? How many conversions, how many sales, right? That is an indicator of proof, guys. Okay, so remember, you never want to run a campaign blind. That's the dumbest thing you can do. And if you're losing money, that's why, because you're basically running blind. You're running an offer because the landing page is pretty. That's ridiculous. Don't do that. What you want to do is you want to ask your affiliate manager for the offers being ran on the traffic source you intend to run, right? Because again, they can see the actual numbers in the back end. Like, let's just say they have this, this refinance offer, and it's doing, 500 sales a day or 500 leads a day or whatever, right? I'm just using for example, and it's generating like 30K a day from this offer, right? Today. Well, that's already a great indicator that this offer works, because one, my affiliate manager is not going to be saying an offer works and it's just totally bombing, unless he's new and he sucks, but highly unlikely that's going to happen. That's why you want to work with premium affiliate networks, right? Affiliate networks that have been around for years, okay? And if you actually get a really good affiliate manager, he's going to tell you the offers that are actually doing well. Okay. So basically, you want to ask your affiliate manager for the top offers they see doing successful on their end. Okay. This is basically what we call, again, insider information. Your affiliate manager can see each offer and the total amount of sales that the offers are coming from and from what type of traffic. Use this information when thinking of what offers to run. Okay, guys, again, they can see the back end, they see the revenue being generated, they know the offers. This is going to be one of the ways you actually search for offers, okay? So now that you've actually verified, you actually figured out what type of offers are doing well from your affiliate manager, you want to verify that offer that your affiliate manager said with a spy tool or with manual spying. Okay, so basically a spy tool like Adplexity. Again, I have a course coming out. It's called REVCONTENT Mastery, the best spy tool out there right now. And I don't care what anybody says, it is Adplexity. So what you would do is whatever offer let's just say it's an offer called, I don't know, flat belly fix, right? It's a super oversaturated VSL. Do not run that, guys. Okay, it's just for an example. How about if he says, hey, you know what, Brandon, I got this flat belly fix. It's generating, $30,000 a day. It has, 1,000 step ones, right? Or 1,000, sales a day. Okay. And you're like, okay, you know what, Mr. Affiliate Manager, cool. So what I would do is I would get, that offer, flat belly fix, and I would look it up on Adplexity, and I want to see my competitors running it. Okay. So basically, if your affiliate manager recommends an offer, then you need to verify that offer is being ran by your competitors. When choosing an offer to run, your competitors are a great indicator that the offer is being ran successfully. Okay. Your competitors are not going to be running an offer that is complete trash, right? Well, that's not true. There are a lot of newbie affiliates, right? But what I'm trying to say is if your affiliate manager recommends an offer and then you see your competitors running that offer, that is a beautiful sign. Okay, those are the signs that I'm looking for when testing, when going to test an offer. Okay, reason being because one, if your affiliate manager sees the sales on the back end, then two, you verify that offer being ran by your competitor, then that offer now has proof that it actually works. Okay, so remember going back to the scenario where I was talking about running blind. Okay, you never run blind. Us as affiliates, guys, we need to be able to figure out, insider information that goes to tell us like, hey, you know what? My affiliate manager told me, this flat belly fix is hitting $30,000 worth of sales a day, 1,000 conversions a day, right? And then I actually went into the wild, right, on Adplexity or on websites that have, REVCONTENT widgets, and I actually seen my competitors running this offer. Okay, that's insider information. Okay, guys, like if you're running campaigns just because the offer page looks pretty or somebody told you about it, blah, 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 stop that. This is exactly how you want to run campaigns, okay? This alone is gonna be saving you all kinds of money and time trying to figure this business out. Okay, guys, because there's a lot of variables in this business, but the offer is the most important variable. Okay, again, I know I've said this before, but if you have a crappy offer, I don't care how much of a good marketer you are, how good copy, right, the angles you come up with, the landing page optimizations you do, you are not going to convert a crappy offer. Okay, guys. On the other hand, if you actually have a solid offer, you can be a mediocre marketer. You can actually kind of suck, right? But just because your offer is doing so well, it's just such a solid converting offer, you will still make money. Okay, guys, so this is for the beginners, right? So again, beginners, please understand, you have a solid offer, you can still make money even though you're beginning out. Okay, of course, there also is a way how to set up your ads, landing pages, and optimizing split test and scaling. But if you do not master the art of choosing an offer, you will never make money. Okay, and I mean that sternly. Okay, so please, guys, next time you guys actually test an offer, this is how you want to find them. Okay, you want to, one, ask your affiliate manager for the top offers being ran on the traffic source you intend to run. Okay, and then verify that offer with the spy tool. It's very, very important. If you do that, you're moving towards the right direction. Okay, you're not running blind anymore. Okay, this is how you choose offers, guys. This is exactly how you choose offers. Okay, don't be choosing offers just because the offer page looks legit. Successful affiliates test offers that are proven to work, and we do that by using insider information. We get this from our affiliate managers and our spying ability. Okay, guys, now I know I kind of went over this kind of like, I guess, briefly, but I think I really hit the nail on the head on how to actually choose profitable offers. Okay, my REVCONTENT course goes more into depth about this so that you can set yourself up for success in the beginning and never lose money again, guys. Okay, so right now I kind of went over just the idea of it, of what to do, but in my course I actually go into complexity. I verify offers. I actually, show you what are good indicators of how to actually choose a good offer. What are the signs of a really good offer? I do it all for you guys. Okay, guys, this is all for free on YouTube, but on my course I have everything, and I'm walking through everything step by step so that I can guide you guys towards success. Okay, guys, that's basically all I have for today. By the time you guys see this, my course is going. Just check the description below for my course. Just keep checking it. It's gonna be coming out very, very soon. So by the time you see this, the course should be in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and grab that, and I'll be able to see you guys on the other end and help you guys out one-on-one with whatever it is you guys got going on. Okay, guys. Once again, this is Branden Sanchez. I will see you in the next video.